0 for now. I have to set it properly once I test if the amp works properly and everything. Now the phase always 0, no need to use that. Bass boost 0 as well. You will have enough power from your subwoofers. Subsonic, I left it at 10 Hertz, and low pass filter, I put it somewhere around 60 Hertz. I don't have a testing one of those testing machines, you know, I don't know the name of it. Anyway, like you can see here is from 30 Hertz to 150, so in the middle up there will be 75. So I dialed it down just a bit to be around 60-65 Hertz, because my mid bass from the factory goes from 60 Hertz and above. So that's that. Let's go to the next step. So we have a winner.